Look what I found at Costco yesterday. This is a Dash multi-plate mini maker. It comes with 7 removable plates and a storage box included. Let's check this out. Counter cooking. No kitchen? No problem. So I went to Costco yesterday to buy some typical things like garbage bags and paper towels. And while I was there, since I hadn't been there in quite a long time, I decided to just walk up and down the aisles and see what they had. And this is what I found. I had no idea this existed. So as soon as I saw it, I was pretty excited about it. And this cost $29.99 at the Costco that I went to. So what this is a Dash mini waffle iron, but the waffle plates are removable and you can swap them out with different waffle designs. So this comes with the pumpkin waffle plate, the gingerbread man waffle plate, the snowflake waffle plate, the Christmas tree waffle plate, and a heart-shaped waffle plate in addition to the regular standard waffle plates. This is the storage box for the waffle plates. It says easy open. And then here we have the various waffle plates. Heart shape. Gingerbread boy. Snowflake. Christmas tree. And pumpkin. When you put the waffle plates into the storage box, make sure you keep these metal clips on the top. Otherwise, you really can't get them out. I had to push them through the bottom. Another nice thing about these waffle plates is that it says these are dishwasher safe, so that makes cleanup really easy. This box is about the same size as a typical recipe box. And then here's the waffle maker itself. It's a bit bigger than the standard Dash mini waffle makers. And also it has a white plastic light. Is that going to light up white, or is there like a color LED in there? So here's the waffle maker. It says bottom and then top. And then there's this button on the side. So you press the button and the waffle plate comes right out. And that's the same thing for the top. So what would be interesting to me is, are all of these mix and match or only the bottom mix and match? Because if you have any of the waffle makers, you'll know that they always have like a standard waffle on top and then the bottom has the shape. So let's see. So that snaps in really easy. And it says bottom. Oh, okay, so these all say bottom on them. So I guess you can only put the shapes on the bottom because they do all say bottom. That would have been fun if you could put like different shapes on different sides, like a snowflake on the bottom and like a Christmas tree on the top, something like that. But this is the only one that says top. Are they the same size? Yeah, they're the same size. Is everything else the same? Okay, so there is a difference with the bottom and the top, and that has to do with this like metal clip. There's a different placement. So yeah, you definitely have to use the top on the top. There's no way around that. But that's how easy it is to swap out these plates. Really, you just press the button, swap out the plate. Obviously, you're going to want to be really careful if you're going to do that while they're hot, but I don't think you want to do that while they're hot. So I'm really excited to try this out and to use this waffle maker. I also like the fact that it gives me another waffle maker because it is really nice to have more than one of these because they are so small. So if I want to make a bunch of waffles at once, I can use 2 or 3 of these at the same time. Or if I'm only making one waffle, then I could just use one of these. But sometimes it is nice to do some meal prepping ahead of time, and also when you're cooking for more than one person, if I'm cooking for 2, 3, 4 people, it's nice to have more than one of these in use at the same time. So it comes with this information sheet. It says to cook a waffle in the shape of a heart or pumpkin using the heart waffle plate or pumpkin waffle plate, use 1.5 tablespoons of batter. For a 4-inch circular waffle, use 3 to 4 tablespoons of batter. That's good to know. Then it tells you how to remove the plates. It says caution, always lift and lower from the right side using the cover handle to avoid hitting the release tab. Before first use, never touch the removable plates or cover while appliance is in use. Okay, so you never want to swap out those plates while they're hot. Never touch the removable plates on the inside of the mini maker while it is plugged in and preheating, or when it has not fully cooled. Do not lift the cover so that your arm is over the removable plates, as they are hot and may cause injury. And then it tells you how to install the plates, but we've already done that. And here is the booklet. Let's go straight to the recipes. Here's the recipe guide. We have classic waffles, pumpkin spice waffles, classic waffle cake, dark chocolate waffles, gingerbread waffles, waffle pops, white chocolate coconut waffles, snickerdoodle waffles. Then it also gives you ideas for protein waffle, cornbread waffle, mashed potato bite, s'more biscuit, grilled cheese, chocolate chip cookie, and waffle omelet. I will not be making any waffles in this waffle maker in this video, but definitely look for videos using this appliance coming soon on this channel. I just wanted to quickly make this video to let you know about this product and to also let you know that it is currently available at Costco. The price there is $29.99, or at least it was at my local Costco. And I'll also put a link to this product on Amazon in the description below this video and also as a pinned comment. I think this product would make a really nice Christmas present, and I do hope that they come out with a set of additional plates for this product. For example, it would be nice to have griddle plates or grill plates, maybe some Halloween plates, some other holiday plates. So that's what I'm hoping, because that would be a really nice addition to this product. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this product. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.